How to manage location information on Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage location information on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here, and now I need to find this one, settings and privacy. Click on it, and then you will see this one here, privacy and safety. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just find this one, location information. You will find this in privacy and safety. Click on it, and now as you see, now you can manage location information to anything you want. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.